Hey guys, in this video we will see how to find mean, median, mode and range. And I have got this data set. Okay, so to find mean, median, mode and range, the very first step we are going to follow in any problem is to write these numbers in ascending order. So I'm going to write the smallest number first, which is 1, and then 2, then we have 5, again 5, 7, 8 and 15. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records in this data set. Now how to find mean? Okay, to find mean we need to sum up all the numbers and divide by the total number of records in the data set. So I'm going to write 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 8, 28 plus 15, 38, 43 divided by 7, which is 43 divided by 7, 6.1 and 4, I think, approximately. Okay. And how to find median? Median is the middle number. Okay, so how do you find median in this data set? So you start striking the first number and last number, second and second last, third number and third last. So this is the middle number, which is 5. And what is mode? Mode is the most frequently occurred number in the data set. So in this case, you can clearly see that we have a single mode. There is only one number is repeating twice. So 5 is the mode. And what is range? Range is the difference between the highest number in the data set and the lowest number in the data set. Highest minus lowest, which is 15 minus 1, which is equal to 14. Okay, next we will solve a different problem, different data set. Okay, so I got a new data set. Now we need to find mean, median, mode and range for this data set. What is the first step? So you need to write the numbers in the ascending order. So 2, 5, 7, 8, 15 and once again 15. So to find the mean, you need to sum all the numbers. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 8, 22 plus 15, 37 plus 15, 47, 52. 52 divided by total numbers 3, 6 records, which is 8 and then 6 and 6. So approximately it is like 866. Now how do you find median? Okay. So you will start striking the first number and last number, second and second last. Now you have two numbers in the middle. So how do you find median in this case? You need to take average of these two numbers. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 7.5. Okay, so this is the median. This is mean. And mode, you know how to calculate, so you can try. So we have two numbers, 15, 2 times it is repeating, so this is the mode. And how to find range? How do you find range? highest number minus lowest number in the data set. So in this case 15 is the highest number, 2 is the lowest number. So it is 15 minus 2, which is 13. Here is another data set. This is for your exercise. So please pause the video and try to find out mean, median, mode and range. Okay, so what is the first step? So we need to write it in ascending order. So I'm going to write it like 1, 1, 5, 8, 9, and again 9 and 20. So I got 7 records. To find mean, you need to sum all the numbers and divided by the total number of records. So in this case 2, 7, 15, 24, 33, 53 divided by 7, which is equal to 7.57. Approximately. And median. What is median? The middle number. Okay, so you start striking the numbers, finally you get this. So this is median. And mode. What is mode? Which number occurs more frequently in the dataset? So in this case you can see 1 occurs twice and 9 occurs twice. So which is mode? Both are modes, bimodal. And range, we know highest number minus lowest number. So just 20 minus 1, 19. Hope this helps, and in our next video we'll look at some other statistics concept. Okay, thanks for watching.